Let's hit 2 million together. Thanks for being with us.
Hi guys, it's me Alexa, Maria. So today is our graduation day and now we're on the way to our graduation venue sa UP Cine Adarna. So are you excited?
I'm really excited because this is the day of our graduation.
Yeah.
And this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Kasi, alam niyo ba guys, nung nag-pandemic, and story time, nung
Tansyang tagal sa trapiko.
si ano ways. Okay, so story time guys, nung nag-6th grade kasi kami, after namin graduate, nag-pandemic, diba? So, bala, hindi namin na-feel yung pagka-graduate namin nung grade 6 kami. So, this time, wala na pandemic, maka-graduate na tayo!
Yes,
pero,
high school.
yes, junior high school graduate.
Oo nga, no, yung batch natin 2020-2021, hindi mga nakagraduate yung mga elementary students.
Yes.
Diba? Like us.
Actually guys, 4 years na po kami nag-online class. Tapos ngayon, nag-graduate po kami ng face-to-face. Yung mga iba namin classmate na online class din, hindi na sila pupunta dun sa may venue. Kasi nga, yung iba namin class nasa ibang bansa, yung iba naman baka hindi makakapunta. Kaya online lang sila nag-graduate. Ayan, makita na namin sila.
First time?
Yeah, first time na magkikita-kita. Pero yung mga isa sa mga kaklase namin, talaga, magkakakilala na sila. Tapos nakita na nila isa't isa sa graduation, practice. Tapos yung iba talaga, since elementary, magkakaklase na talaga sila and magkakapara sila ng school. Mama Misa, how are you feeling right now? Kasi aakit mo kaming dalawa ni Aurea.
Hindi, isa sa'yo, isa sa tatay mo.
Ayaw nga pala. Sino aakit mo?
Si Oy.
Makikita dito ang favorites. Si Oying, ha? Bakit hindi ako? Bakit hindi ako, ma?
Na maliit pa ako sa'yo.
Kaya, mama, yung mga picture natin ng graduation ko, ikaw lagi yung kasama ko. Tapos ngayon, ano nangyari? Bago doon ako.
Nasaan na tayo?
UP.
UP? Chill, lapit na tayo. 4 minutes. Tulog na si Oy.
Participant in all school activities, consistent English communicating. Bring the prescribed uniform. Then and wearing the prescribed uniform, first placer, Techno Fashion Show Simon Fair with honors.
May I ask the parents to please settle down and wait for your child to approach you. Thank you.
Uy!
Lagi kayo pinapanood sa Pampanga.
Bye-bye! Bakit? Malungkot si ate.
Ay, test. I-Facebook. Facebook? Friend kita.
O, post mo daw sa Facebook, ah. Let's eat! So, we're eating dinner now. And ito po yung mga ulam namin. May chicken. Then, and may side dish tayo dyan. And then, for dessert, we have muffins. And guys, ito yung first meal namin of the day. First meal? Yeah. First meal. So we just finished eating dinner here sa SM North and we also bought some cosmetic products and we're now headed home kasi medyo pagod na rin kami at ayan, kailangan na muna namin magpahinga. Susulitin muna namin yung mga days na wala kaming pasok. Yay! Tapos, iisipin na. Yes. Ikaw ba, Alexa? Ano bang plan mo na kunin? Either ABM or TVL. Oh! Kaya ba guys, mga upcoming grade 11, comment down below guys kung ano po yung kukunin na strand. Kasi, many of our friends keep telling us na maganda daw ang strand na stem kunin namin. So, nagpapalang ako na kunin ko yung stem or fruits. Either dun sa dalawa.